Hi guys! How to quickly remove any unwanted color cast from an image in Photoshop. First, go to Layer, select Duplicate Layer. With the duplicate layer selected, go to Filter, Blur Average. This will create a single color that represents the overall color cast in your image. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment, Layer Levels and click OK. In the Levels properties, select the middle gray point eyedropper. This allows Photoshop to identify and correct the unwanted color cast. Now click on it. Turn off the background copy layer, because we only needed it to calculate the overall color. It's look better. Now select your original image layer and go to Layer, New Adjustment, Layer Vibrance. Increase the vibrance to around +72. You can adjust this value according to your image. And that's it. Here's the before and here's the after. As you can see, the unwanted color cast has been corrected and the colors look much more balanced. So that's a quick and easy way to remove unwanted color casts from any image in Photoshop.